hello, I'm Vasco, welcome to Ukulele Cheats, and this right here is a pretty little piece, very beginner friendly, Three Little Birds by Bob Marley in the key of C, fits the ukulele perfectly, and it's also really probably one of the best first finger styles you can have, because very little is changing right here, a little bit more is changing right here, but step-by-step extended video tutorial that goes through all the bars step by step, really slowly. You can get this below this video, as well as interactive tabs, the best way to practice, and of course printable tabs. So all of these below this video, but right now just enjoy the arrangement.